Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga.
Hey guys, welcome back again. This is Katia Valino. I am doing another a vlog. Guys, you will not believe what I'm going to do right now. I just went to the gym. I spent like 2 hours working up my butt, sweating, and then I just wanted to see why are people so entangled with fast food breakfast. So I decided that I'm gonna eat that. I have not had like McDonald's or fast food in like maybe 15 years. I want to see. I was meant to understand that every food have calories. So let me see what I can get. Oh my god, one of them has 820 calories. This is bagel. Okay, I'm gonna go for the one for 290 calories. Hi, I want to have egg McMuffin. 290 calories, right? She's laughing. Yes, I'm just being bad. So I haven't had this in a long time. Does it come with coffee? Oh, it comes with coffee. Okay, I'm gonna low calorie coffee. What makes it low calorie? Okay, I don't want the hash brown. Will it make it less? Yeah, take out the hash brown. Do you have decaf coffee? Okay, I'm gonna have decaf with 1 sweetener and half cream. Why not? Yes. A small cream and 1 sweetener. 642 to buy me about maybe 350 calories. Guys, yes, that's not bad. You know what? I wanted to eat that because all the time, all I do is eating healthy, drinking my smoothies, eating no fried food and stuff like that. So today, why not? I just want to give myself a little treat. You know how it is. Sometimes your taste bud is just so glued to one thing, just to juice and green tea and all this nuts. So I just want to have something different. It's not gonna kill me. Do you guys think it's gonna kill me? No hash brown. So I'm not taking anything deep fried. I'm taking egg McMuffin and coffee with a little bit of cream. I just want to taste it. 15 years of not having fast food. Hello, how does that feel? Some people eat that every day on continuous basis. So I don't think that just having that one time in 15 years is gonna kill me. Let's see what it looks like. I'm looking so forward to seeing that. And what I really love about that is that it tells you how many calories you're consuming. So I think I love that. So if you are on calorie count, at least you know that when you have your breakfast of about 360 calories for the breakfast, you can have another 500 calories for lunch or dinner, which is just going to be salad and chicken, and then at night you can drink your smoothies. That's not bad, but it's bad when you have it on continuous basis. When you have deep fries, you go home, you have chicken and fish and rice. So eating this for breakfast, I'm going to have to substitute for lunch by just having vegetables and salad. So keep coming with me. Let's share what I eat for today. I think I'm getting excited all about this. So let's go. Thank you. Did I have napkins? Okay, thank you. So guys, I picked up my food, my breakfast. Let's see what I have inside here. This thing keeps talking. Okay. Small coffee. And oh gosh, gotta turn up this. And this is my egg McMuffin. You know what? Doesn't look bad, but because I'm going to be reducing the calorie in it, I want to take out one slice of the other end of the bread. Oh. So that's not bad. It's cheese. It's slice of ham. And a little piece of bread. So from 360 calories, I think I brought it down to maybe 300 calories, which is not bad. It doesn't taste bad. But like I said, this is not what you eat every day. Once in a while. I wanted to change my taste bud. I've been having juice, smoothies, everything back to back. So at this time, it's 5 p.m. in the evening, and I'm having my supper. And this is going to be the last day that I'm eating, the last meal that I am eating for today. So I had my McDonald's in the morning, and then I waited. What did I have for lunch? I just had some few nuts, some almonds, and then I had a grapefruit, and then now I am eating. Let me show you what I'm eating. Broccoli. Can you see that? These are some broccolis, and then some sliced turkey. Look at it. Turkey, yes. So I'm trying to eat more protein and less fat. And you guys knew that I had my fats this morning and my carbs from the bread and the things that I ate at McDonald's. So this evening I am compensating for that. So I'm just having baked turkey with broccoli. And then over here is my almighty water. This is my pineapple water. I will always leave a link at the bottom of the video so that you know how to make your own pineapple water to help you have that glowy skin and lose weight. You can add a little bit of lemon to the water as well, but I love drinking my pineapple water every day. So guys, this is my complete meal for the day. I hope this gives you an idea. I hope this gives you an idea of what you're gonna eat and how you're gonna eat to lose weight. So if you eat more fat and carbohydrate, you're gonna have to compensate that with lots of veggies and protein later in the day. Don't go stuffing up 3-4 times a day with carbs and sugars and white flour. Those things are not good for us. So guys, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in this next video. Don't forget to give this video thumbs up, and I love you guys. Au revoir. I wanted to stand up so you can see, right? So I will see you guys. Bye.
I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me radar. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, for me yard, see me for me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me.